An unbiased crypto analysis for April 17th. Let's start with the bull side of things first. We're looking at crypto total market cap or TMC chart. Based on this chart, we've been sitting in this pennant since January 10th. We've had some major critical resistances that we were not able to break throughout the last couple months. And at the same time, we were trying to find a support. We were able to test this shelf for almost 3 weeks until we were able to find this critical support on the uptrending support as well, which was able to help us trigger this impulse move. Now, once we broke out of this pennant, our first place to look for take profit would have been the top of the pennant, around 2 trillion. And as you can see, you had almost a full week before price started to fully retrace. And this is common price action to see when you're actually breaking out of a long-term structure like a pennant, for example. And another reason why they say that patience is the true winner, because you wanted to find a support, which we're finding right now, right on the 6180 Fibonacci, which is an ideal pullback for a bullish continuation pattern. And if you zoom in on the hourly, we also had another pennant, and we're just starting to break on the top side of the pennant in the last 12 hours. This is a really bullish thing to see, and the indicators and oscillators are also showing some nice bullish trends starting to form. So it wouldn't surprise me if we had a support hold in this general area to see price finally make its next impulse move. Another chart that we can take a look at is TMC3, or the total market cap that's excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, aka the altcoin season chart, which on this chart we can see this downtrending resistance that we were holding since November of last year. Again, on March 10th, we were finally able to break this impulse move, and we're finally starting to hold support after a nice impulse break, which if we can hold support on this volatility zone, and which is conveniently enough the 6180 Fibonacci, we could potentially see a push up to the TP2, which is around 945 billion. And this move right here would be a massive play for the majority of the altcoins in the crypto space. If you're a bear looking at the market, you're really watching this Bitcoin chart and watching for this bear flag continuation pattern. We had a nice pullback on price, and we're starting to see this move in a consolidation channel, but in an uptrend. A lot of times on the long terms, this can signal a continuation on the downtrend. And if this does want to continue on the downtrend and we break these two major volatility supports, our next areas of potential support would be 30K. But the opportunity is still there, and it's always good to go into every trade unbiased, because that's how you're going to be the most successful when you're trading. If you found anything in this video useful and you're not following us, please make sure to give us a follow. And if you want to become an alchemist, hit the link in our TikTok bio.